Hello dears, we are studying JMCQ and today's question is a stress is dash, comma, a strain under the loading up to the elastic limit of the material. Options given: A equals to, B inversely proportional to, C directly proportional to, and D none of these. The question asking a stress how relates to a strain. A stress is how relates to a strain. It is equals to or inversely proportional to or directly proportional to or none of these. And we have to find a correct option for this question. The stress how relates to a strain. This question is asked in SSC JEE 2018, which is from strength of material. So in the options, option A given, it is equals. It means a stress is equals to a strain according to option A. Option B is inversely proportional to. That is a stress inversely proportional to a strain. That is, we can say a stress proportional to 1 by a strain. And option C is given directly proportional. So a stress directly proportional to a strain. That is option C. And option D is given none of these. Then if three options A, B and C, all three will be wrong, then option D will be correct. So now we find correct option. According to Hooke's law, within elastic limit, a stress is directly proportional to the strain. It is given by the Hooke's law. Within elastic limit, a stress is directly proportional to the strain. So it will be a stress directly proportional a strain. That is sigma proportional to epsilon, or sigma is equals to E epsilon, where sigma is stress and epsilon is a strain and E is Young's modulus. So by Hooke's law, it is clear that the stress is directly proportional to a strain, and which is given by option C, which is in option C. So its correct option will be option C, directly proportional to. A stress is directly proportional to a strain. So option A, B and option D will be wrong, and its correct option will be directly proportional to, that is option C. A stress is dash a strain under the loading up to the elastic limit of the material. So its answer will be option C, directly proportional to. A stress is directly proportional to a strain. And today's topic is over. Thanks for watching.